In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice with GoDaddy. We'll go through the process inside your GoDaddy account so you know exactly where to look and what to expect. This is especially helpful if you're managing a website store and want to handle invoicing from the same place where you manage your products and orders. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account page where your profile and product settings are accessible. This is where you'll begin navigating to the tools connected to your website. Next, click on your profile. This will open the account area where you can view the services and products linked to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have under your account, including websites, hosting, and other connected tools. Now look for the specific website you want to work with and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. Once you open that website's settings, find and click on Store. This is the area where your online selling tools are managed, including products, sales activity, and customer-related actions. After that, click on Orders. This section is important because it's where you can review existing customer purchases and, if applicable, create invoices based on those orders. If you already have orders in your store, you should be able to see them listed here. In that case, this is also the place where invoicing options become available, so you can continue from the order details and create the invoice you need. If, like in this example, you don't have any orders yet, then the invoice option may not be visible. That's normal. In GoDaddy, invoice creation in this area is tied to existing store orders, so if there are no orders, there may not be anything to generate an invoice from yet. So the key thing to remember is that invoices are generally created through the Orders section of your store dashboard, but only when order data is already there. If you do have orders, feel free to proceed from that section and complete your invoice from the available options. And that's it. Once you know the path, profile, My Products, your website, store, and orders, it becomes much easier to find the invoicing area inside GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.